For an upcoming project I need to make a small pulley to go with this little motor. Making it out of wood would be easy, but also a little bit boring. So instead I'm gonna machine it from this piece of steel. And I'm gonna show you how. So first we need to find the center, and I like to rotate the piece 180 degrees after scribing each line, and then scribe the line again just to kind of cancel out any offset of the scribe line. And the shaft has a diameter of 6 millimeters. Now if you look really closely you can see that two of these lines don't really line up, and I thought that I had slipped with the center finder, and I repeated the procedure on the other side with exactly the same outcome. And that is of course because the part isn't truly round yet. And now at the drill press I'm gonna drill the center hole, which the entire geometry of the part is gonna be based upon. And now the hole for the set screw. Let's see if I can find one. Here, I think they are a little too small. Oh, here's one. Looks like an M6. Perfect. I found that the red marker dries quickest and creates the thinnest film, and is the best substitute for layout fluid. And now I can eyeball this. Close enough. And I start the tab manually at the drill press to make sure that it will line up perfectly with the hole. Maybe you noticed that I drilled a little bit deeper than I should have, and that was just to accommodate the tip of the tab, to make sure that I'd be able to drive it in far enough so that even the threads down here would get fully developed. Here's a flat spot on the axle, so let's line this up with that. And then yep, perfect. This piece of square tubing is gonna serve as a jig for machining the pulley. Okay, the jig is clamped to the grinder and our little soon-to-be pulley is on this shaft, and I'm gonna spin it and plunge it into the belt. Yeah, let's see if I can make this work. And now the outer circumference. Not bad. Now grinding the groove with the grinder tilted horizontally and a small radius grinding attachment. Fresh off the grinder. I know that you've been told not to wear gloves at the drill press, and yes, it can be dangerous in certain situations. For polishing I use 240, 400 and then 600 grit sandpaper. Nice! Doing a proper soldering job can be quite difficult with 18,000 euros worth of camera gear in front of your face. Don't ask me how I know that. I'm running the motor off of my benchtop power supply. So I really hope you found this interesting, and till next time.
Oui.